Good morning, all of you. In the today's session, we are going to see one of the important command that is called as a draft command. The draft command is important in order to provide the draft on the edges or the surfaces. So when any two meeting parts, okay, are kept in contact with each other, in order to remove this part easily during the disassembly, okay, so the provision of draft is made on the surface. So in today's session we are going to see this draft. Okay, now here I am going to select this new part. Okay, now here see here in this case I am now considering this front plane for my sketch. I'm going to select this. Okay, now I'm going to come in this sketch. I'm going to select this rectangle. I'm going to draw this rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to select this extrude feature. So by extrude feature, I get this cube. Okay, now here you can see this one is a cube. Okay, now I want to give here one cavity in this cube. So again I am going to this sketch command. I'm going to select this. First I'm going to select this surface, then I'm going to, in this sketch command, I'm going to select this rectangle, and here I'm going to draw this rectangle. Okay, now here after this I'm again going to features, and I'm using the command extrude cut, and with help of this extrude cut I will perform a cut in this solid, and this is a blind cut. Okay, I have got this cut. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to now use the draft command. So here in the features you can see this draft command. I'm going to click on this draft command. As I click on this draft command, I get here one window, and that is known as a draft expert. Here I get the features such as which are the items to draft, what is the angle of draft, which faces the draft is there, and the draft analysis, whether it is a positive draft or a negative draft. So here I'm going to select the angle of draft. I'm going to make as a 9 degrees. So why 9 degrees? Because it becomes easier to see this draft. So first I have to select this parameter is the shape. Okay, so this shape indicates see this edge indicates the direction of pull. Now there is second this that I will select this, and this one is the draft face. Okay, now here I'm going to apply this draft. Now here you can see this draft is in this direction. Okay, you can see this draft in this way. Okay, now again I want to use this draft command. Okay, so I can again use this face. Okay, but now in this case I'm going to click on this. Okay, and now I will see the difference. Now see the difference here. The draft in this is in this direction. Now here the draft is in this direction. Okay, now what change you are getting notice? Okay, now here the direction of pull has been changed. Okay, now this we can also get the significance inside this cavity. Again I'm going to select this draft command, then 9 degrees I'm going to select this face. Again inside face 1 2 3 4. Okay, and I'm going to apply. So here is also one auto paint option. This auto paint option helps us to determine whether it's a positive or negative draft. Okay, so again I'm going to apply this. Here I can get this draft. Okay, so now this one is, we can say it is a positive draft. Okay, here we have got the positive draft. We can see what is the inside of these faces. Okay, now again I'm going to select the draft command. Now here I'm going to select this face, and I'm going to select this face, this internal faces. Then I'm going to click on this reverse direction. I click. Now see what change we are getting. Now see here. See how the direction of this draft orientation has been changed. Okay, so this is the draft command. I request you to make use of this draft command. Try certain these 3D objects and apply this draft command and see the change. Okay, so thank you for today.